I know I look like I'm going on vacation, but I'm not. I'm actually in the office working. My name's Yaida Ford. I'm a civil rights trial lawyer. So somebody asked me whether or not an officer has a duty to warn before they shoot. The question is, it depends. There's not a straight answer to that. Did the officer have a reasonable opportunity to warn the subject before he used his weapon? And that depends on the circumstances that the officer was facing. Was he facing imminent threat to his life? Was somebody else facing an imminent threat and he had to intervene to stop that? So there's not a clear yes or no answer. It's all factually specific. The officer, he or she, has to make that judgment on a case-by-case basis. I have a case now involving a young man named Kevin Sherd who was shot by police up on Madison Street in, I believe it was 2022, July of 2022. And they said shoe came up. The officer warned him before he fired his weapon. And while the officer claimed that he warned him and gave him several lawful commands, the body-worn camera footage showed us differently. That is an issue that has come up in his case and will be litigated. But just know, if you do get a warning from an officer, just take heed, just obey it. Otherwise, if he doesn't or she doesn't warn you and they use force against you, you may have a claim. But again, it just depends on the circumstances that he or she is facing at that time.